Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Asika's Kitchen, guys. So about today I got a nice recipe that I want to share with you guys. Of course, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to like this video as well. Please share if you feel like, and yeah, let's get into today's video. As you all can see guys, today I'm going to prepare an amazing recipe, a simple recipe that I know you guys, most of you have always been trying to prepare at your home. I'm going to prepare today a vegetable rice. It's kind of a plain rice, but with vegetable inside. Yeah, when I talk of vegetable, I mean I got carrots for today, but I don't have peas, so I'm going to use carrots for today, or rather you can call it a carrot rice recipe. Yeah, so I will go ahead and blend my carrots, and this is how they look. I had like 4 carrots, medium size, and this is the result after blending. And guys, just follow my steps. This is how I normally prepare my vegetable rice. And to my first step, of course, I have to start with the oil. I leave it to cook for some seconds, and then I add in my blended carrots. Like, I've always loved this recipe. I love carrots. Like, y'all guys, you know what I'm talking about. You just understand that perfect color that we need whenever we are using carrots, maybe in preparing our soups, maybe it's the kids food. I love the carrots, though it doesn't have that kind of aroma, but guys, it brings out the perfect color that we will see after getting done with this recipe. And guys, I will go ahead and wash my rice. Naiosha tu mara mbili. I will do this twice to remove that color, ile the dark white color, and nikiosha hivyo pia itanisaidia, itakuwa ikiiva itatoka moja moja. Yeah, that is why I love washing it twice, not once or not even thrice. And then this is the perfect color of the carrots. I just love it. You all can see it's not orange, but it's kinda yellow, but in this case I never used too much carrots, but next time guys I will try and add maybe 2 or 3. thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you so much. Thank you for the support so far. Please don't forget to like this video at the end. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not, and see you on the next video.